Hello everybody, and today we are going to be playing Minecraft Education Edition, but before we do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off mobs. So today we're learning how to be a chemistry labber. Well, that's not today, but it is the next video.
Game rule Alama.
So but for right now, I'm going to show you how to change your chat color. Just press enter, or if you're on PS4, just press the up button, and then go here until you see chat color, and then just change it to whatever color you want. I changed mine to cyan because you guys know I am cyan ninja. So we're just gonna learn how to use a furnace and make it go into a chest. So first we're gonna need coal. Make sure you guys are in creative if you guys are in a house. And of course, you need a chest. So we're just gonna click this and do that, and boom. So I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna make a little lab first out of iron. And yes, there are sign blocks if you guys have asked, but I'm just gonna make a little lab. So this is gonna be where my lab is.
Unknown command.
Okay, so the day is locked. And guys, make sure that the hopper is not into the brick. Because if it is into the brick, then you guys have to fix that. So make sure that it's not into the brick, or else it will go to the other side of the door, or else it will go to the other side of the wall. And you guys do not want that. So we're just gonna go ahead and place furnace here. Hold down shift, and place 1 or 2 hoppers. And then get some coal and put coal in the furnace, and make sure you have 264s of coal. If you wish to fill up your chest, if you wish to get coal. So guys, let me show you a little trick. In Minecraft, in the regular Minecraft on your computer, you guys can press X on anything you want, and you guys will have that brick. Let me just repair this real quick. See? Look, see? I had mastered it before. So I'll show it to you guys later, but let's go ahead. I'll just go ahead and get rid of this, get rid of that, and let's just grab some raw food. So as you guys know, a hopper does put stuff in anything. So let's just get this raw cod too. Oops, sorry. And then, as you guys know, you can also do this. You can also hold down shift and put the hopper connecting to the other hopper to make it go in one. And this would be helpful if you guys have more than one furnace. I do not have more than one furnace, but I used to in my old house. And that will go into this big chest. So let's put some chicken in there, and then here it says cooked chicken, and then open it. This only works with the furnace though, not a blast furnace. It only works with the furnace and not a blast furnace. So you see it goes into the hopper. It's cooking, as you can hear it. It goes into the hopper, and then it goes into the chest. Now let's test the side one and see if it goes. You can also put anything inside the hopper, and then it will go to this hopper. Let's see if it goes to this hopper. Yep, it went to that hopper, and then it comes in here like this. And now we're gonna put some cod in this. Now we're gonna put some cod in this one. And then we're gonna get some coal and put it in here. Easy. It's pretty easy, guys. If you want to know how I make these videos, the link is in the description. And I am... Okay, guys. One more thing I gotta tell you. One more thing. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. And you want to know how I make these videos, the link is in the description. I'm still not coming up with Minecraft skin, but I will soon. So, until then, I'm saying goodbye. So, sorry, snoozer. So until then, goodbye, guys. It was a short video, but you guys know. So we're just gonna end the video in 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Hope you liked this tutorial. Leave a thumbs up and